So basically I'm gonna start in the gaming room. I've already decluttered a bunch, and yeah, so basically I got a bunch of clutter out from here. I'll show you that it's all in my hallway right now. Basically, this room hasn't been vacuumed in months. I've kind of mopped the floor in here when we just did a tire change because it was snowing and it had to be mopped right away. So yeah, that's where we're gonna start. So this bin right here, that bin, that bag, that's our bundle buggy for when we go grocery shopping. That's a random bin that was also in the gaming room. And currently, this is a whole view of the gaming room and what it looks like. Excuse my vacuum. I really need a vacuum in here because like this whole area right here just had all that clutter right there. It's just gonna go back, but I've been meaning to vacuum in here. I know it doesn't look that messy right now, but I really need a vacuum in here. I'm not gonna film myself vacuuming, but hey guys, so this is mine and Gordon's bedroom. So these mats right here, these are for our gaming chairs right here. So basically, I'm just going to be cleaning them because since I bought them, they've never been cleaned. So right here, I have a little setup of an empty spray bottle, some vinegar. I'm going to make a little cleaning concoction in this bottle right here of like vinegar and water to clean those mats in our bedroom. So I ended up with about that much vinegar. I don't know how much it is. And then I'm just going to fill the rest of the bottle up with water. And I'll see how this cleans the mats. Hey guys, so I ended up filling up the water to about there. So the vinegar was like down here, and that's how much water I put. And then I grabbed like a microfiber cloth. And I'm just going to proceed to cleaning them, which I will let you watch me do. I'll probably speed through it a little bit, like when editing. And yeah, I'll let you know the verdict when I'm done.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
So I don't know if you can see this, but like they were dirtier than I thought they were. I don't think the camera's picking it up that well. I'm gonna have to get another rag to clean the other one. Alright, so basically, I took the mat that I just cleaned back into the gaming room, got my other cloth. I'm gonna clean the other one, and then we'll get to the next part. I'm probably not gonna show myself cleaning the second one, but anyways, I'll see you in the next room. So, now the rug is all vacuumed, and these are nice and clean. I just wanted to show you how well they cleaned. So, I'm sure you can see, they're like really shiny. You can see the reflection of Gordon's desk in that like mat. So, vinegar and water, definitely a good trick for cleaning these computer chair mats. And that's mine. Alrighty.